So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are discussing the NCERT exercise 8.4 which is totally based on conversion. ठीक है? Conversion में होता क्या है बेटा? Conversion means when we convert in the units. ठीक है? Unit conversion means when sometimes we have the larger unit and we are converting in smaller unit. ठीक है? And sometimes we have smaller units and we are converging in higher units. ठीक है? तो याद रखिए जब भी हम कभी हायर यूनिट से स्मॉलर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वी डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, एंड सपोज व्हेन वी डू जस्ट ऑपोजिट मींस व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट स्मॉलर टू हायर, in that case we divide. Please note it down this thing on your pair copy. Remember when we do unit conversion, हम जब बड़ी यूनिट से छोटी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, that is higher to smaller, we multiply, and when we convert smaller unit to higher unit we divide. Remember, depend on the question what we need to divide. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले we will write it down the heading of question number 1, that is express as rupees. All of you write it down. Express as rupees. Question number 1. Question number 1 of exercise 8.4 is express as rupees using decimals, and you can note it down the question from the book only. I think you must be having the book right now on your places. Please note it down, question number 1 from the book, 1A. And I will tell you, just leave two lines and note down all questions of whatever you are having right now in the book. Okay? Leave two lines for each and every solution and you can note it down every question. Now students, when we talk about express as rupees, that means the money will be given either in rupees, either in पैसे. ठीक है? पहले पैसे वर्क करते थे, अब तो पैसे वर्क भी नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है? बट पहले पैसे ज्यादा वर्क करते थे. 25 पैसा भी वर्क करता था, 50 पैसा भी वर्क करता था, 75 पैसा भी वर्क करता था, एंड 1 रुपीज हमारा फुल होता है. ठीक है? रिमेंबर 1 रुपी इज इक्वल टू होता है 100 पैसा. ठीक है? तो रिमेंबर 100 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 1 रुपी. ठीक है? Now our question, if it is in पैसा and you are converting in rupee, it means पैसा is a smaller unit, रुपी बड़ा होता है, पैसा छोटा होता है. तो पैसे से you are converting in rupees, that means you are going smaller unit to bigger unit. So that means what we need to do, multiply or divide? Divide. You are going smaller to higher, not higher to smaller. ठीक है? So we will simply divide. ठीक है? अब देखो क्या डिवाइड करेंगे बेटा? This time we have the relation 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, means 1 paisa is equals to, or 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100 rupee. ठीक है? Depend on the question what is asked. ठीक है? Now let's solve some question. First you understand and then you will try. Abhi do not note down anything. Just understand this. Suppose your question is 5 paise. ठीक है? What should be the process? Simply 5 divided by 100. Whatever the number is, divide by 100 if it is in paise. ठीक है? Because दोनों के बीच में कितना relation है? 100 का. ठीक है? Now it's 5 by 100. You know the process how to convert in decimals. 0.05. And the question is converted in rupee. So please mention here rupees. Finish. Suppose the question is 75 paisa or 75 paise. Again you will divide by 100. That will give you 75 upon 100. May I know what answer can be right? 0.75 in the form of rupees. ठीक है? noted down these two questions, then we will be discussing more also. Now suppose the question is 335 paise. Now 3.35 in rupees in direct answer. डायरेक्ट आंसर भी लिख सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है, ठीक है. Why 3.35? Because you will divide this number by 100. So two places will come for decimal, which will give you 3.35. May I know how many rupees are here? 3 rupees. How many paise we have? 35. So our answer is 3 rupees 35 paise. Please note it down these questions on your copy. Now students, we are on question number 2, which is related to express as meters this time. Okay, you are knowing meter is a unit of length. Okay, and meter is greater than centimeter and meter is also greater than millimeter also. Okay, so अभी अगर आप question check करोगे, you will find the questions are related to centimeter. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में जितने भी क्वेश्चन है बेटा वो सेंटीमीटर या मीटर में, so you are converting centimeter to meter, and centimeter is a smaller unit and meter is a greater unit. It means again you are going smaller to higher. It means you are doing division. So याद रखिए 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. That means 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. In a small I am writing only m. ठीक है? Let's try some questions. You also do along with me. Suppose question number 1 is 5 centimeter. ठीक है? One digit number. Then what will you do? Simply 5 by 100 because you are converting centimeter to meter. So the answer what it would be? 0.05 in meters. ठीक है? Second question, suppose you have 2 digits like 15 centimeter. The process will again remain same, 15 by 100, and the answer would be 0.15 meter. अब सपोज आपका जो क्वेश्चन हो वो मीटर और सेंटीमीटर दोनों में हो, तब आप क्या करोगे? 7 meter 35 centimeter. So what? Yes, it would be जो मीटर में है वो पहले से मीटर में रहेगा, and the centimeter you will convert, that will be 35 by 100. So the answer in total it would be 7.35 meter. Please note it down. This answer would be 7.35 in meters. Suppose your question is 9 meters 7 centimeter. ठीक है? 2 more question I want to tell you, which is little different. ठीक है? Suppose this is 9 meter. इसको convert करने की जरूरत नहीं है because it is already in meter. But which is in centimeter that we can convert. Centimeter वाला you will be dividing it by 100 and your answer would be 0.07 in meter. Agree? ठीक है? Agree? Why it will be 0.07? Now this is already in meter, so the answer would be 9.07 in meter. Okay? Now I am giving you one question. Try this out. Yes, this one. अब ये वाला question which I am giving you right now, I want to see how many of you are doing it right. So students, I gave you the question 11 meter 135 centimeter. देखो सबसे पहले which is already in meter, we don't need to convert that. We only need this one to convert, which is written in 3-digit number. So the number would be 135 upon 100. और जब आप इसको convert करोगे, तो you will have 1.35 in meter. ठीक है? अब देखो, whole number is 1. यहाँ पर whole number is 11. So 11 and 1, what gives you? 12. So answer would be 12.35 in meter, which is told by many of you. Absolutely right. Students, now next pattern of question number 4, that is express as kilometer, and the numbers which is given in the question are in the form of meters. Okay, so this time the relation is meter and kilometer. Okay, question which you will find are written in the meter. So remember, जब भी किसी यूनिट में k लग जाता है, that means you are talking about 1000. ठीक है, so kilometer and meter में you will have the relation of 1000. 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So here I have written 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer, and 1 meter will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Let's understand these questions. You will simply divide by 1000 this time. It would be 8 by 1000, and the answer would be 0.008 kilometer. आपको याद होगा, I have explained this, how to convert in fraction, how to convert in decimal. Now this would give us 88 by 1000 in kilometer. Our answer would be 0.088 kilometer. The last one, which is written in 4-digit number, it would give us 8888 upon 1000 in kilometer. So our answer would be 8.888 in kilometer. Very simple question. The last one which I am giving you on the board, you do it by your own. एक question हम दे रहे हैं board पे. The question is 17 kilometer, 8 meter. First you do this, and one more I am writing 17 kilometer 1113 meter. So do it by your own on your copy, not orally. You have to do it on your copy. Okay, so students, let's match your answers. I gave you 17 kilometer and 8 meters. So the answer would come directly 17.008 kilometer. Because it is already in kilometer, this only needs to be converted, which will give you 0.008. And this one, it is already in kilometer, and this will give you also. So this is 17 kilometer, और इसको जब आप solve करोगे, you will have 1.113 kilometers. So total kilometers would be 18.113 kilometer. Very simple. Kilometer से kilometer का part you will add, and rest of the numbers you will put it in the last one. Then the next question is question number 5, which is express in kilogram. Again the word is written K here. The alphabet is K. That means the relation will be 1000. 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. So 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. So if you have any of the questions in gram, you will be simply dividing it by 1000, and you will solve the question in decimal forms. Okay, this question is very simple like the previous one, because हमने सब में 1000 solve किया था. So this is also with the same pattern, which I hope you can do it. Okay,